How to set 1-inch margin in Word. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set 1-inch margin on your Word document. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Word document, then head over to Files. First, we'll change its measurements to inches. So tap on File on the top left, then tap on Option on the bottom left sidebar. After you tap on option, you can head over to different options here. You can simply play around with the options if you want to. What you'll need to search here is the option that says your measurements. Now here under advanced, if you scroll down under display, you'll find show measurements in units of. So right there you'll find inches, so simply select inches and tap on OK. After you've done that, you can head over to your layout on your Word document, and there you'll find margins. Tap on margins, and from here you can see an option that says custom margin on the bottom. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, there you will see the option to select margins. So all you have to do is change this to 1 on all the sides, that is top, left, bottom, and right, and then tap on OK. After you do that, the margins will be set to 1 inch. And that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.